Well, guys, this is it. It's my new project. Drug it out of the weeds. Been sitting, fucking mildewed seats and shit. Sitting for a good while. B-series car. It's a true CRX SI. This is gonna be my new project. We're gonna get it up on the trailer, take it to my house, and get it cleaned up. Start piecing this thing together. Well, we got it to the house. Ready to go ahead and assess the situation. Go ahead and start trying to clean this thing up today. I've been cleaning up the yard, trying to get it fucking manageable today. Code enforcement keep bitching at me, all these fucking cars. But this is it. There's some mildew on the leather on the seats and stuff. I'm pulling these seats out. I personally have a personal grudge against these seats and the person that they came from. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm gonna be putting the LS Vtec in. I got an LS block and GSR head. This is what Matt did to the last motor. Whoa! 3 valves and a piston. That always looks good. But it's got a Jasper B16 LSD trans. I got a GSR style Type R replica manifold. Everything's here pretty much as far as all the wiring and everything. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is going to be my new project. It used to be a pretty quick little all motor car. I plan on turboing it probably here within the next month so that we can get my car, James' car, and Matt's car all ready for Honda Day. Mine's B-series, Matt has the D-series turbo car now, and James has a fully built F20B that we're turboing. I'm gonna try to turn it up this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this thing up. Try to polish this turd and see what we come up with. Alright, so for all you car guys, in case you didn't know, a car is a lot like a female. Sometimes they want to be loved. Sometimes they want to be rubbed and caressed. But sometimes you just got to get in there and ask the fucking D-plat. We're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Gonna take some time. We're gonna get her nice and cleaned up. Try to get all fucking pine needles out of these damn cracks and shit. Damn it, Matt, why you let this shit get so far? Or let it go so damn far. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. We got it all washed and cleaned up. It looks really damn good. I still got to do the interior and all. I got to pull this blown up motor out of here and get started on building my LSV. I got pretty much all the parts. Got to go ahead and get it on the engine stand, get it all together. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned in for all our next videos. And also, just to let you guys know, we're waiting on parts for the Buick Skylark build. We ended up getting the wrong cross member for it, so we're still trying to get that taken care of. But y'all stay tuned in. Appreciate you watching.